Got some onions, tomatoes. I added spinach too early, but the seasonings are garlic salt, onion powder, pepper, and Himalayan pink salt. We got the chicken over here, and we got shrimp necks and the water boiling for our pasta. Chicken, we got these two seasoning, mixing them as an accent. I put a little bit of avocado oil in it so it doesn't stick to the pan. So around those tomatoes, because we don't want them raw, we want them sauteed with the onions. It's gonna taste real good in the sauce. Okay, then you'll hear popping sound. Now it's time to add the spinach. Voila. Sauce. Didn't have any whipped cream, but you can add whipped cream. So I did chicken broth. Almost ready. I saved some pasta water. Dump the chicken right on in there. What's up, your mama? Seasoning. Stir that around. Yeah. Add a little pasta water. I already added the shrimp. Now we add some Parmesan cheese. Of course. The rest of that pasta water. And we stir. This is your sauce. It's gonna go in the pasta. Pause. You know, I had to pick the husband plate first. My man. Enjoy. What's my Italian seasoning?